Speaking yesterday at the National Control Centre, the pandemic controller formally confirmed and announced the death of the Member of Parliament. Manning says this shows the threat COVID-19 poses on every citizen of the country. The controller says the Kerema MP succumbed to his death following his health condition.
Sadly, his passing comes 1 year to the day since the first COVID-19 infection was detected in our country. Mr. Mendani, from what I've been briefed, presented to the PIH Emergency Department on the 24th of February with a complaint of fever, cough, breathlessness and headache since the 19th of February. He was initially diagnosed with pneumonia at Hope Clinic, but as his condition wasn't improving, was referred to PIH for further evaluation and management.
MP Mendani was elected in the 2017 national elections. He has served both sides of the House. He was rushed to PIH with other health issues and following checkups was tested positive for COVID-19. Health authorities explained their findings.
He died at the COVID isolation center in PH, ICU. He was on ventilator. He had other existing medical conditions, but COVID-19 was the diagnosis that was made when he came in, and he was actually treated in another clinic in the city and not improving, and was treated for pneumonia.
Pandemic controller David Manning says while stats and death toll climb, he urged citizens to adhere to preventive measures announced recently. He says COVID-19 has no boundaries and anyone can die from the disease.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the threat of death from COVID-19 is real. And sadly, the late honourable member paid the ultimate price and lost his life because of this terrible virus. COVID-19 is an invisible killer that spreads through the air we inhale and the objects that we touch. But we as a people, as workers, as small business owners and government employees, can do our part to protect our loved ones and try to keep them safe.
Jack Lapava Jr., National EMTV News.